Hey there, welcome to my channel, The Aria Lifestyle. Today's video is decorate my space. If you are here for the first time, welcome to my channel. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. This is the Aria Lifestyle, and on this channel we do home decor, fitness, anything that's lifestyle, fashion, beauty, cooking. So today we're going to decorate a space in my home. How exciting! Today's decorate my space video is a little different. It's going to be a little bit more than decorating. It will be somewhat a refresh of my pantry. So I had done a refresh on my pantry before, but I did not have like a really good organizational technique. So what was happening is that my family just didn't know how to maintain it. I didn't know how to maintain it. And honestly, the pantry just fell apart in organization. So this time around, it's not only decorating the pantry or making the pantry look nice, but it's also making the pantry operate efficiently so that we can maintain the pantry as a tidy space. So with no further ado, let's get to it. What we're going to do in the pantry is actually just very minor stuff. The most tedious thing I'm going to do is change the floors a little bit. I'm going to put some peel and stick tiles on there, and I'm also going to refresh some of the wallpaper that's on each shelf. So stay with me and let's decorate this space. Decorate My Space is hosted by the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, Tablescape by Candy, and it happens here every third Fridays of the month. And you decorate or refresh any area of your home and reveal. Also hosting are Buckeye Girl Decor and Lifestyle, Sasu Glam Style, Annalise Cupboard, Mabel's Tables, Decorate With Us, Lotta Bailey, Pretty DIYs, Jubilee, Design with Emma, Buffalo Check Chicks, Virtuous Woman Lifestyle. It's me, Ashley Coaxum, and myself, the Aria Lifestyle. Please go over to these channels, enjoy the playlist, and look at all of us decorate our space. We really appreciate the support. Now let's get to decorating. In this video, there's a paid partnership by AKILIDANAE. They provided this beautiful chandelier lighting for my pantry. Thanks so much, AKILIDANAE. Okay, so in order for this video to be informative, not boring, and we get to the decorating part, I'm going to do it in 3 parts. So first, it's going to be the pull down of the pantry, what it looked like before and how I had to pull everything out, how chaotic it was. So first things first, you cannot work on fixing a space except you have a blank canvas. So we had to clear everything out, and I did it a shelf at a time, and I put everything in the center of the kitchen so I could decide what is going to be thrown out, what's expired, and what goes back in. Look at the amount of things that came out so far. I created an island in the middle of the kitchen so people can actually walk around and do what they're doing still. Can get to the fridge, can get to the microwave, can get to the stove. get to the sink and the dishwasher. Oops, can't make it to the coffee maker. I'm gonna have to shift something around. And then we have some more stuff on the table. Have to get rid of these things. This is too many things, guys. Too many things, too many things, too many things, too many things. Have to get rid of half of these things. It's ridiculous. So this is how it's looking. These containers, these risers, these Lazy Susans, this sign over here, you can barely see it, it's a sign, you'll see it eventually, and then these baskets. And I ordered some more stuff from Amazon. They should be coming in by tomorrow. So yeah, that's where we're at so far. So these projects are ones that typically are a little bit more challenging than decorating, say, a bedroom, because, for example, here, look at the lighting. We're going to jazz up the lighting a bit. We're going to, of course, make the space functional. At the same time, we want to make it look beautiful to the eyes. It needs to be aesthetically pleasing as well as works functionally. So balancing the act is of functionality and aesthetics can be a little challenging and intimidating to home decor enthusiasts like myself. Then part 2 is how we refresh the space, where we input the tiles on the floor and just pretty much dress the shelves back up with the liner. So that's like the reconstruct phase. So it's tear down, stage 2 reconstruct, stage 3 decorate and organize the space. So stay with me, and I hope this inspires you to do the same for your pantry and bring our decorating to another level, because with a pantry we need to be organized with a system that is sustainable, that our pantry will remain organized and beautiful. In step 2, I'm basically laying down the peel and stick tiles on the floor. I got these at Home Depot, guys, and I will leave the link below for these tiles at my LTK store. So I'm doing these peel and stick tiles, and if you notice, I'm using black because it gives an exquisite backdrop for the whites that will be prevalent at the top. Okay guys, so here I am in a pantry, and I would have shown you what the pantry looked like before and what we did to pull the stuff off the cupboards and the floor work that had taken place. Now it's time to decorate. I have already started putting some stuff together, and you will see the stuff that I am using to organize this pantry. So let's start by looking from the floor, coming all the way up to the top shelves, okay? Okay, so on the bottom level, we're gonna have stuff like some large pots that are too large or too tall to hold in the regular cupboards. I have like my roaster oven for like Thanksgiving time and stuff like that on the floor, stuff that are harder to look neat, heavier stuff. Then on the row coming up, we have some Lazy Susans and some spices and stuff that I probably the only one's gonna access, but I put them in storage containers. I keep them neat. There I have a utility box right there. I have a little decor because I told you the centerpiece has to look good, because when you open the door, that's what you see. So I'm having some empty bottles as well, labeled, waiting to be refilled when I go back to the grocery store. But as you notice, Everything has a place, and you will know when it's empty that it's time to get stuff from the store. So that's one way of organizing your pantry, that you can see what you have. Visibility is important, placement is important, and when you know where everything is, you can see where everything is, you know what you need, you know what needs to be refilled. You can easily check the expiry dates every 2 weeks or so, and that's it. So it looks good and it's functional. Thank you for staying with me while I decorated my space, my pantry. It was beautiful having you, and this one was a little bit more technical than my regular my space, but I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think about my new pantry and the new pantry organization. As you can see, everything is laid out so clear so that we will know what we are to buy when we go to the grocery store, and we know exactly where to place them when we get back. For those of you who have joined us for the first time, thank you for staying with us for this video, and I hope you will consider subscribing to this channel, The Aria Lifestyle. Would love for you to be a part of our family, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I do upload new videos, you will be notified. Love you guys. Peace out.